Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view on this device. Firstly, open any app, for example YouTube, and click Home button. Then tap on the button with 3 lines and click at the icon of an app. Select Open in split screen view. Now select the other app, for example Gallery, and as you can see, now I can use both of them at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag one of the apps to the side and click Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!